Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be going through the easiest and most affordable ways on how you can form your LLC in California. The first half of the video is going to consist of an in-depth look into the steps that you must take for starting up your LLC as a business owner. California is the heart of the businesses where you can get vast potential customers for your business. The state has a lot of opportunities for entrepreneurs. The best part of the state is that you can get business funds easily. For example, there are small banks for small businesses that they're supporting. These banks have loan facilities for informal business structures as well. Besides, if you are a woman-owned business, then you might even get tax benefits. Starting off with the most important question. What is an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets, thus giving you personal asset protection. So, when you're starting up your LLC in California, you mainly have to file the certificate of formation with the state and pay a filing fee of $70. You can start off your California LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we personally recommend you use ZenBusiness as they're one of the best and most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can hire an attorney. With ZenBusiness, you're getting 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It is perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form an LLC. It is a suitable plan for you if you want a budget-friendly LLC formation plan. The starter plan is, however, at $0, but you do need to pay the state filing fee, which is mandatory. It is cost-effective and offers all the essential services like your registered agent, operating agreement draft, and a lot more. The Pro Plan offers some essential additional services along with all the main services offered in the Starter Plan. Also, in the Pro Plan, it takes lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting? You're getting advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance service, and you're getting expedited filing process. The Premium Plan is, however, the most expensive plan offered by ZenBusiness. The Premium Plan offers almost all of your services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned, the first 2 plans, which was the Starter Plan and the Pro Plan. It offers expedited filing process, business website, a domain, and an email address. We're going to start off with discussing the first 2 options, but guiding on why you need a professional service to do it for you. Because instead of doing it yourself, there are so many benefits to getting a professional service. ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service that you can use because getting an LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also on deciding a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done easily with ZenBusiness. I'll be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out. And now we're going to start discussing in detail the important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC. Now, we're going to start off with the first step, which is the basis of every business out there, and that is choosing a business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the guidelines at lcbuddy.com. The specific requirements that need to be followed when you're naming your company is number 1, the name should be available and no other existing business can have that name. Limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business that could be confusing or possibly misleading. So terms such as Treasury, State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements are fulfilled. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you've decided, then you can reserve your name for 60 days. It's going to cost you around $10 via mail or $20 if you go and drop it in person. The second step to forming your LLC in the state of California is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that will act and work on your LLC's behalf. Now, this person is going to be receiving all the important paperwork from the government and all the correspondence within California. You need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of California or at least has a physical address over there. Their business address or the principal address should be in California. Most LLC formation companies also do provide registered agent services. ZenBusiness also provides registered agents as an add-on to your formation package, but you can get them as a standalone service as well. An important thing to note when you're getting a registered agent is having a legit one, because in case if you're sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate will. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets, thus giving you personal asset protection. So, if you're sued in your business, they can't really go after your personal assets. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate will. The first thing that they're going to do is they're going to check whether you have a registered agent. Is the agent legit? And have they been filing all the paperwork correctly? The third and another important step in forming an LLC is to file the certificate of formation. This California Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $70 to file your formation certificate in California. Now, this certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, your registered agent's name, your address, employee details, structure of your company, whether you're member managed or manager managed. So before you're hiring employees in your LLC, one should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly to avoid any future issues. We recommend using ZenBusiness to file the certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the form without any confusion or missing any steps. If you get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support that's going to definitely help you out as soon as they can. In California, LLCs have to file the initial statement of information with the California Secretary of State. Now, this is an additional step. This type of document is not really common in all of the states. Now, this statement includes all the unknown information that is not mentioned in any of the formation documents. After 90 days of the LLC formation, LLCs have to submit this statement. California is one of those very few states that have this requirement. Basically, this document has everything that's been decided in the LLC in their first board meeting. It costs around $20 to file the initial statement of information, and it can be filed online, by mail, or in person. Now, the next step is filing the operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and operating procedures of your LLC. This document is vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and thus helps reduce future conflicts. When it comes to filing a California LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done using a professional service such as ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing out any detail. The EIN, also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS, which makes it easier to identify the type of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. EIN is needed when your LLC is actually hiring employees. To obtain an EIN, one has to fill up a form, which is done online or by mail, and just submit it to the IRS. Enter the details of your LLC and complete the form at the address given. You can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness for a very small fee. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. If you want to go through the premium package, you can go and check it out as well. It is high priced, but it also has its advantages depending on what you require. If you're a bigger corporation, you might do better with premium. Otherwise, a pro plan or starter plan is more than enough to start off your LLC. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verified compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything. And then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness. Now that you've created your California LLC, there's still a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the California business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which is going to cover your employees. And you need to file the California LLC annual report. So this was an in-depth video on how to start your LLC in California. I really hope it helps you out in setting up your LLC, and good luck to all of you starting off your businesses. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. I'm going to see you in the next video.